Everybody, my name is Nazareth Ramirez and I'm going to show you how to make slime. So you're going to need a little cup, something to mix with, and glue and laundry detergent. I'm going to bring it later. Okay, so now with the glue, you open it. It has to be liquid glue. It doesn't have to be Elmer's glue, but I chose Elmer's glue. So then you pour it in the little cup. It depends on how much you want to make. You want to make a lot of, a lot, then just here you go. So now you pour this into a little cup, and then you're gonna keep adding. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of laundry detergent. So I've seen a girl that in my class in my used to be class, that she made this. Well, she didn't make it, obviously. She got it a little prize, and well, I just really wanted to make one. So here, that's how I got my idea. Now here I got my something to mix with. I know it's a pencil and my laundry detergent. So I'm just gonna add a few drops. Of laundry detergent. So I'm just going to put this here. Okay, there. And now it's going to look like that. And then you have to mix it together. Real good. You won't have that slimy effect right away, because you have to mix real good first. So then you're gonna kind of have that little slimy effect. So if you don't really have that much effective, you add a little bit more of your laundry detergent. Yes, you are mostly gonna need laundry detergent. There we go. It is building. It is really fast and easy. Just mix it real good so all the particles are together. And here, just a little teeny tiny bit more laundry detergent. Laundry detergent. Keep mixing, and a little bit more. You just need to mix a lot. And yes, you are going to need mostly laundry detergent than glue, because laundry detergent is mostly slimy, and glue is just going to help it stick all together or something like that. Oops, I think I went way past limit. It doesn't matter, because you can then drip it. Let's keep mixing. There we go. And kind of pour it into your hand, and then there you have it. A little, technically not that good, not so bad. So now I'm gonna clean my, because it's really messy. It's getting a huge mess. So yeah, you have to wash your hands real good, and still keep kind of mixing it so you don't get big bubbles and everything. And put it all together. And now you have your little slime. And that was easy. Now you could also put it in a Ziploc bag. Right now, my parents have Ziploc bags, and well, right now I'm not going to get one because I'm going to play with it. And I'm going to show you how to make a little bit more. So yeah. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Oh, this is hard because there's no more. Here it goes. So just a little bit. I'm going to put it without measurement. It's just a good amount. Not that much, but a lot. So I'm just going to put it back in the bowl, or whatever you can call it. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit. And I'm just going to mix it. And right now it doesn't have anything. It's just clear glue. Not clear, but just glue. I'm going to add. So yeah, keep mixing. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. You're gonna get that slimy effect, like I said. And yup, that is it. Right now I have this one, too small and everything, but still real good. Good and everything. A little bit. Add a little bit more. Just a little bit, so it doesn't get too slimy like this one. I made one earlier, but then it's got stuck to my bed, and then we'll just make sure you don't play with it too much on your bed and everything, because it is gonna get stuck on it. So here we have it. Oh my god, it was dripping. There we go. Now that is some perfect slime. If you could measure, that would be fantastic. You will have a better effect. Don't put it really in the freezer. I've tried that. I already tried that. Oh, look how slimy. I already tried that, and it's gonna freeze, and it's just a fail. It's gonna be a fail. So just don't freeze it on the freezer. Keep adding a little bit more laundry detergent if you want, and yeah. Oh, so the more laundry detergent, the more slimier, but like if you have a great amount of both, well, it won't be that slimy. Now let's roll it all in. So we gather all the parts, and now I have here my slime. This is too slimy. Oh my god. But a great result. This is a great result. Too slimy, I guess. Yup, too slimy. Too slimy right now. So I'm just going to put it back in the bowl. Or whatever I can call that. So yeah. That was too slimy, so if you want to gather it all, just mix your hands like that. And then you got it. Rub your hands, and you will make a little circle, and that's all your laundry detergent. I mean, your slime. And just wash your hands. Sorry for making this video really long, but yeah, it's just instructions and everything. So I'm going to add a teeny weeny bit more laundry detergent. And that will create a perfect amount. And it looks just alright. It's not perfect, but like, it's not like one you can buy from the store, but it's still really good. So it's gonna slip a lot when you're grabbing it in the pencil, and that is something really good. Don't think if it slips, it's gonna slip off your hands, or it's gonna be really slimy. So just right now, just let it like chill, calm down. Maybe even I'll put this one. Let's see what result we'll have if we mix them together. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a good result. Not bad. Yeah, both the same color anyway. You can add also, if you don't want blue, you can add food coloring or any type of coloring or even marker. So, but I think it will stain your hands a lot, so yeah. If it like slips a lot from the pencil when you're grabbing it, then that is a good sign that your slime, oh my god. Yep, not really a good idea. Now make sure your hands are dry now. So you grab your slime good and it doesn't really slip off you, because yeah, it's gonna slip. Wow, that was a good result. So now I have here my slime, and thanks for watching, guys. Not only guys, because I know I have girl views. Am I right? Yeah. So here it is gonna stick a little bit to you, because remember it has glue. But make sure you don't have your hands wet, so because with the wetness it's gonna make it a lot stickier. And yeah, so just make sure to wash your hands after you use it, so your hands aren't like sticky and everything, but they're not gonna be so sticky. So here it is, guys, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this video, and I will be making a lot more videos. Don't forget, I have Instagram, Facebook, Google+, Hangouts, and Gmail, so you can follow me, like me, or we can even chat. So yeah, probably not chat, but you can follow me, like me, and subscribe to my videos and my channel, so you don't miss another episode. Bye, or video. Bye. And yes, I am in my bathroom. Yeah. Bye.